Introducing our TLFD rear light, a compact and efficient fender-mounted design delivering reliable performance and visibility on every ride. The TLFD provides a bright 20-lumen output, offering safety and clarity for urban and everyday cycling. Designed to fit most types of rear fenders, it integrates seamlessly into the bike's design while maintaining a clean and discreet appearance. With an IP56 rating, it's protected against dust and high-pressure water, ensuring dependable function in all weather conditions. Fully compliant with K-Mark and ISO 6742 standards, the TLFD is built for both e-bikes and EPAC systems. The package includes the light itself, the necessary mounting screws, and the CT22 connector for easy installation. Discover all our products and more information on our website. For that, visit www.litemove.com. Thank you for watching.